Good evening, friends. This is Deepak, and you are watching my YouTube channel Intelligence. So today we are going to discuss chapter second of civics of the class 9. So let's start the video. Krumaz was the president of European are Chile, Ghana, Poland, Zimbabwe. So here is the option. C is the correct. Option A. Option A is the child is correct. Option next question is the in Greek demos means dash and kratia means dash. Your options are people, rule. Option B rule, people. Option C rule, king. Option D king, rule. So here is the option A is the correct. People and rule. Another question number third. Which of the following statement is false? The options are the army rulers of Myanmar are not elected by the people. Option B. Dictators like Pinochet are elected by the people. Option C. The king of Nepal and Saudi Arabia rule not because the people have chosen them to do so, but because they happen to be born into the royal family. Option D. All of the above. All the above. So here is the option B is correct. Dictators like Pinochet are elected by the people. चलिए अगले क्वेश्चन की तरफ हम लोग बढ़ते हैं. So next question is here. What is the meaning of democracy? It is a rule of king. It is the rule of a king. It is the rule of a military. It is the rule of people's representatives. Option D. It is a rule of a dictator. So here is the option C is clear, and C is the right answer. It is the rule of the people's representative. Right. चलिए अगले क्वेश्चन की तरफ बढ़ते हैं. सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है आपका. इन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग कंट्रीज लीगल फ्रेमवर्क ऑर्डर वाज पास्ड इन 2002? सो जो ऑप्शंस आर चाइना, इंडिया, पाकिस्तान, म्यांमार. तो इसमें जो करेक्ट आंसर रहेगा वो रहेगा आपका ऑप्शन सी, पाकिस्तान. चलिए अगले क्वेश्चन की तरफ बढ़ते हैं. इन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग कंट्रीज प्रेसिडेंशियल फॉर्म ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी इज इन प्रैक्टिस? Your option C is correct. USA. Another question number 8. In which year President of Pakistan General Musharraf led a military coup? Your options are April 1999, option B March 2000, option C October 1999, option D November 1999. So here is the option C is the correct. October 1999 है ना. चलिए अगला नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है. इन पाकिस्तान जनरल परवेज मुशर्रफ led a military coup in October 1999. He overthrew a democratically elected government and declared himself the. Your options are chief executive, president, prime minister, none of the above. So here is the correct answer is option A, chief executive. चलिए अगले क्वेश्चन की तरफ बढ़ते हैं. Next question number 10. The following party always forms government in Mexico. So here is the option C is correct. PRI. PRI is the correct answer. Next question. What is the name of the Chinese parliament? Your options are Diet, Senate, House of Lords, National People's Congress. So here is the option D is the correct. National People Congress, NPC. Another question, after how many years elections are held in China? It is like as India, within 5 years, right? I mean to say that after 5 years, right? So question number 13. Why the government in China is not democratic? Your options are elections are held after 5 years. Option B absence of multi-party system. Option C members are free to contest. Option D elections are held under Communist Party's approval. So here is the option D is the correct. Elections are held under Communist Party's approval, right? Next question number 13. Why the government in China is not democratic? Your options are elections are held after 5 years. Option B absence of multi-party system. Option C members are free to contest. Option D elections are held under Communist Party's approval. So here is the option D is correct. Elections are held under Communist Party's approval. Another question, question number 14. Which one of the following countries has not given voting rights to women? Options are Pakistan, India, Saudi Arabia, New Zealand. So it was Saudi Arabia, right? चलिए अगले क्वेश्चन की तरफ हम लोग बढ़ते हैं. Next question is here, question number 16. In Fiji, the electoral system does not give equal voting rights, right? Your options are Indian and Fijian, Estonia, none of the above. So here is the option B is correct. And Indian Fijian, yes. Yes. Question number 17. In which year did Zimbabwe gain independence? Your options are 1990, 1970, 1980, 2000. तो कौन सा इसका आंसर होना चाहिए करेक्ट यहाँ पे? क्वेश्चन नंबर 17. In which year did Zimbabwe gain independence? Your options are 1990, 1970, 1980, year 2000. So here is the option C is correct, in the year 1980. Question number 18. The following persons ruled in Zimbabwe since its independence. Your options are M. Jackson, Robert Mugabe, Nelson Mandela, Robert Mugabe. So here is the option D is correct, Robert Mugabe. Another question. Which of the following statement is false about Mugabe's government? Your options are President Mugabe is unpopular but also uses unfair practices in elections. Option B. Over the years, his government has changed the constitution several times to increase the power of the president. Option C. Opposition party workers are harassed and their meetings disrupted. Option D. Public protests and demonstrations against the governments are declared illegal. So here is the option A is the correct. President Mugabe is unpopular but also uses unfair practices in election, right? Next question. Elections offer a choice and fair opportunity to the people to change the current rulers. This feature is associated with, your options are India democracy, China communist, Myanmar dictatorship, Saudi Arabia. So here is the option A is the correct, India democracy. Question number 21. Which of these is not a valid reason for arguing that there is a lesser possibility of famine in a democratic country? Your options are opposition party can draw attention to hunger and starvation. Option B. Free press can report suffering from famines in different parts of the country. Option C. Government fears its defeats in the next election. Option D. People are free to believe in and practice any religion. So option is 21. Option D is the correct. People are free to believe in and practice any religion. Another question. Question number 22. Which one of the following is an appropriate reason that Chinese government did not manage famine effectively during 1958 to 1961? Your options are the government was indifferent, the government was undemocratic. Option C. The government was communist. Option D. The government did not care for people. So here is the option B is correct. The government was undemocratic, right? Next question number 23. Read the following statement and choose the correct explanation of democracy. Democracy guarantees the freedom of press, liberty, franchise, and equal opportunities to all citizens. Which one of the following is true in case of democracy? Your options are Saudi Arabia does not recognize adult franchise for women. Option B. Myanmar government is opposed to political freedom. Option C. Pakistani military opposed political rallies in the country. Option D. India grants adult franchise to all eligible people above the age of 18 years. So here is the option D is the correct. India grants adult franchise to all eligible people above the age of 18 years. Last question, question number 24. Which one of the following statement is not correct regarding democracy? Your options are: democracy is a form of government in which rulers are elected by the people. Option B, free and fair elections are necessary for democracy. Option C, democratic government must frame rules within the limits of constitutional laws. Option D, only selected people can be given voting rights. So here is the option D is the correct. Only selected people can be given voting rights. So guys, I hope you all have enjoyed my videos and increased your knowledge related to MCQs, right? So it will definitely, it will help you all for your exam. So please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. It will motivate me to make more videos. Thank you.